If you give a second grader a cookie, a collaboration between Miss Nipper's 7th graders and Miss Reed's 2nd graders.
If you give Samantha a cookie.
Written by Kaylee.
Illustrated by Samantha Herrera. If you give Samantha a cookie, she will want a red velvet cookie. If you give Samantha a red velvet cookie, her doll will have to have one too. If you give her doll a cookie, the doll will get messy. If her doll is messy, she will have to give her doll a bath. If she gives her doll a bath, she will have to fix her makeup. If she fixes her makeup, she will want to draw her doll too. If she draws her doll, she will want to draw a monkey too. Drawing a monkey will make her tired, so she will ask for a glass of milk. If she has a glass of milk, Samantha is going to want a cookie to go with it.
This book was a collaboration between Netzeburg 7th graders and 2nd graders about the Illustrator.
Samantha Herrera is 7 years old. She is the illustrator of the story If You Give Samantha a Cookie. When she grows up, she will be a YouTuber or a rock star. She has 0 pets, but when she moves, she will get a husky.
Very good. Excellent job. So now it just takes a while for me to upload it. Okay? That was it. Nice job. I'll put it over here so I can do it up here. Okay. Samantha, you can go back to what you were doing. Okay?